Absolutely. And you're about to have another one coming up here with Mercedes. And there was something, I always do a little research on people before I interview them, even though I was very familiar with your career already. And something I read, which I can't find a lot of info on, did you used to go by the last name Monet?
So this was not really something that I had chosen. And I didn't even really remember. But years ago, CZW, Combat Zone Wrestling, based out of Philadelphia, they used to do this thing called Dojo Wars on Wednesday nights. And essentially it would kind of be like these little shows that they would do just for fans who wanted to just see like pretty much the up and coming people in the area learn how to perform in front of a crowd. So wrestlers around that area could drive in to the CZW Academy, and then whoever showed up, they would pick the matches based on that. So it was literally like you show up, you find out who you're wrestling right there and then you perform in front of like 15 people. The point is that you're getting experience in front of a crowd, you're getting match experience, you're working with different people that you're not used to like training with. And through that, I think they were like, these matches are not going to be your best matches. And they were putting them on YouTube. So they were like, listen, we're going to give you some of you guys like different names just so if people were to look you up, this wouldn't be the first thing that pops up. Or like, here's a chance for you to explore with a different character. And so I think that was one of the names that they had given to me. It wasn't really something that I was like, oh, I want this to be my name. And I just switched it. Like it was kind of a guise so that my more cruddy matches early on wouldn't be easy to find. Oh, wow, I forgot about that.
It kind of made me laugh because it was like, it seems like there's this pattern forming between you and Mercedes where it's like you went and wrestled in Japan, she went and wrestled in Japan. You went by the name Monet, she's going by the name Monet. You win the TBS title, now she wants the TBS title. I just thought it was a very funny parallel leading into the match, even though yours, I believe, had the T at the end, correct?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, gotcha. So at least it's not a totally same thing, but that would be a very funny coincidence. So what can we expect with this match with Mercedes coming up? Because the first match you guys had was great, and I'm curious what you plan to do to top it.
I mean, personally,
I obviously don't want you to give away too many secrets here.
I mean, personally for me, the way that I could top it is by walking out the winner, and there will be no question in anyone's mind of if the only way I could beat Mercedes is if she gets injured in the match. That's what I want. And there is a little bit of a pro and a con to this, but Mercedes hasn't wrestled for a full year. I have been able to really find my strengths as a performer over the past year and emphasize those. So that's all on display for her to see and study and figure out what my strong and weak points could be. Whereas, although she has a full catalog of matches for me to watch, I really don't know what she's been working on while she's been healing up, while she's been recovering and trying to get back to the ring. So, I only have the past to go on, and I'm confident in what my game plan is going to be. But let's just hope there aren't too many surprises that I'm unprepared for.
Yeah, of course.